Next on our SEO tool category is tracking and performance tools.
Like we say around here, and we've said in so many videos before this, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So these tools will let you see what's working and what needs work in your SEO plan. This is where consistency and continual attention, tweaking, and updating will pay off over time, and you'll be able to see that data tell that story.
The first one that we're going to recommend is GA4 Google Analytics. This is free. We use this to gather so much data about our website, but it also can be used for app as well. This can monitor traffic, user behavior, conversion, goals. Need I say more? There's so many things in this. GA4 is essential to understanding how SEO supports your bigger marketing picture goals. This, in conjunction with GTM, is going to give you the perfect baseline for tracking your data. It even comes with real-time insights. If your website has a lot of traffic consistently, that's a great one. You can have fully customizable reports, and you can even become a GA4 expert by earning a Google Analytics certification through their Google Academy. We did this and we thought it was so helpful. It was really great to actually technically be certified in this tool, so we also recommend you going to do that. And bonus tip that the Google Academy is a great resource for a lot of information on how to use all of their tools.
And a lot of it is free. Okay, the next one on this list is SEMrush. They have a free trial and then it's paid. They're known for competitive research, but they also include a lot of backlink tracking, backlink audits, site audits, local SEO monitoring, and a little bit more. This is another one of those Swiss Army knives for marketers and really ideal for multi-channel SEO strategies.